Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
Last but not least, we're going to put on the harmonic balancer. Here's the complication with this. I've checked just about every one that's out there, and every single one of them, all of the newer ones, all have these bolts or these screw lines, these screw areas, like a 1/16 of an inch closer to the center point of this. So that means that your pulley, you're going to actually have to grind out a little bit of space so that you can actually fit your pulley over this, over the screws. There's no other way around it. It's just annoying. So if you have to replace your harmonic balancer, get ready to do that. You'll see it on almost every one of the reviews, at least for the CJs. Maybe for the YJs it's better. I don't really know. Maybe this thing was designed for a YJ. Couldn't tell you. But for the ones for the CJs, you're going to have to do that with your pulley. This is as simple as once you get your oil seal in here and seated, then you actually just take your harmonic balancer, and I found that these are actually not grooves. These are actually keys. There's a slot ground into the actual crankcase that these kind of half moons slots of metal fit into. Didn't take them out, didn't need to. So they're actually called keys. Let's get that lined up. Nice and simple. At least I think it's nice and simple. Right, you're actually going to need an installer, harmonic balance puller installer to get this thing on. You can't just slide it on. Anyways, into the video. Got the timing chain on, crankcase is covered up, got everything gasketed and RTV'd, and awesome. See you next round. Okay, I lied. A little bit more. Vibration dampener has been installed with the installer, and then I ground out the holes almost 1/8 of an inch outwards so that I could fit the pulley on top of the dampener because of the bolt hole alignment. Then you need to torque these down to 20 foot-pounds per bolt, and that's pretty much about it. At that point, you are done with this section. Once you get this thing on here, this needs to be torqued to 80 foot-pounds. Then you're done with that pulley, and then you can move on to the other things. Cool.